Guys, with so many green days in a row for cryptos, are we going to stop anytime soon? Is there a reason to pull out now, or should you be buying as much as you can possibly afford? We're going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin upload. And also to be entered into my 1000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're doing at 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, some huge news, an article just came out titled, Bitcoin eyes 58k resistance, as new data shows hodlers acting the opposite to Q1. Investors are hodling into all-time highs, this time and not selling, as was the case towards the end of Q1. Guys, with fundamental and technical analysis, based on the bullish symbols and the bearish symbols that I'm seeing on the charts, I'm able to predict the future of crypto, so that we know exactly when to get in and when to get out. With Bitcoin nearing $60,000, we're seeing that investors are buying more than ever. They're adding to their portfolios rather than selling out, which just tells you that they were expecting very high numbers. Guys, we are literally expecting us to hit the 70s, $70,000 and up just within the next few months. Guys, what will this do for the rest of cryptos will be massive, easily seeing Dogecoin above $1 and the rest of the cryptos to follow up along with it. With Unchained data analysis, we see that the biggest whales out there that are buying up Bitcoin are not selling. They're literally putting their Bitcoin into cold storage, which just tells you that they are in for the long haul. They're in for the long run, holding for weeks, holding for months, not ready to sell until we see some much higher numbers. Guys, we're expected to see Bitcoin up to $100,000+ just by the end of this year. Ethereum up to $10,000+. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And just as I was saying, another article came out titled, Amount of Ethereum held by miners reaches highest level since 2016. Ethereum miners are very reluctant to sell, and it appears that they were expecting further price increases. Guys, this is incredibly important because historically we see miners selling just after their mining equipment completes an entire blockchain. Guys, they have to do this in order to pay off their electricity bills. It costs them a lot of money in electricity just to mine these cryptos, and the fact that they're holding means a lot. It means a lot because they know that such higher numbers are coming in the very near future. Just within the next 2 to 4 months, we should be seeing Ethereum at $6, $7, $8,000+. Institutions are buying Bitcoin right now rather than gold as inflation cranks up. According to JP Morgan, this week's rally has been driven by institutional investors hedging against inflation with Bitcoin. Guys, historically, whenever there's a lot of inflation in the US market, people buy up silver and gold like crazy. And the fact that we're literally seeing those same folks buy up cryptos is just a reminder that cryptos are generally viewed as a hedge against inflation. To be buying crypto instead is a massive sign. It's a massive friendly reminder that the future of crypto is very bright and that they know it is only going to continue going up. Just as historically we see every single year crypto's going up and up. Guys, for money that normally would be put into gold and silver to be then put into Bitcoin, as we're currently seeing, we're talking about billions and billions of dollars being poured in at a very quick rate. Guys, this is only going to cause the bull run to be that much stronger. Guys, the news is spreading amongst the elite, amongst the whales, with the billions and billions of dollars, not to buy gold, not to buy silver, but rather to invest in crypto. And that's what will reflect on the charts. Another huge article came out titled, Bitcoin price hit 56K as bulls return, and talk focuses on Bitcoin ETF approval. A day of consolidation ends in fresh bullishness for Bitcoin price action, which continues to close in on final resistance below all-time highs. There was recently a Bitcoin ETF approval, which is massive. However, it wasn't quite what we were expecting. It instead allows for people in the stock market to buy into companies that are buying into Bitcoin. However, it is one massive step towards the right direction. And for the other actual Bitcoin ETFs to be approved, it will be massive, literally pouring billions of dollars very quickly into the crypto market, only causing this bull run to be that much stronger. Guys, you want to be ready for that. You want to be positioned very well before that happens, because that is expected to happen just within the next 45 days or sooner. And as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we do see quite a bit of consolidation. After we came up here, sure enough, we had to come down a bit. We have been consolidating, trading sideways quite a bit. However, it is forming an extended descending triangle right here. And of course, when we get to the end of it, because it is narrowing, we will have a breakout. And that breakout will likely be to the upside, since we are currently on a very strong bull run. Guys, because of this, you want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out, and then be ready to sell when we reach our peak. So if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And that's how you enter to win our 1,000 Shiba Inu giveaway when we hit 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And I'll see you tomorrow.